In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari new update. First, let's start by closing and reopening Safari. This simple action can often resolve minor issues that arise after an update. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double-tap the Home button, depending on your device model. You will see all the open apps displayed. Locate Safari and swipe it off the screen to close it completely. After doing so, find the Safari icon on your home screen and tap it to reopen the app. This step refreshes the app's session and can help eliminate temporary glitches, ensuring that Safari runs smoothly once again. Next up, if closing and reopening Safari does not solve the issue, try restarting your iPhone. This is another effective way to clear any minor bugs or issues. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button until you see the slider appear. Slide it to power off your device completely. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Restarting your iPhone can refresh the system processes and clear cached data, which may be causing Safari to misbehave. You will see your device powering back on, ready to use. Once your iPhone is back on, the next step is to try a different Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes connectivity issues can affect how Safari operates. If you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, switch to cellular data or vice versa. This can help determine if the issue is related to your current network. To change your connection, go to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi or Cellular, and select a different option. This is important because a stable connection is crucial for Safari to load websites properly. You should notice the difference immediately. After that, let's go to Settings, then Apps, and find Safari. Here you will want to clear the history and website data. This action can help fix issues caused by corrupted browsing history or outdated data. To do this, open Settings, scroll down to find Safari, and tap on it. From there, select Clear History and Website Data. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to proceed. Tap Clear to confirm. Keep in mind that this will sign you out of websites, so be prepared to log back in afterward. This step ensures that Safari operates with the latest data. Now let's move on to checking some advanced settings. Navigate again to Settings, then Apps, and tap on Safari. From there, go to Advanced and ensure that JavaScript is turned on. JavaScript is essential for many websites to function correctly. If it's disabled, some sites might not work as intended. Toggle the JavaScript switch to enable it if it's off. This small step is vital because it allows websites to run scripts that enhance their functionality. You will feel more confident using Safari after ensuring this is set correctly. Next, we will temporarily disable any VPN or Safari extensions. Sometimes these can interfere with browsing performance. To disable a VPN, go to Settings, tap on VPN, and turn it off. For Safari extensions, go to Settings, tap on Safari, and then tap on Extensions. Disable any active extensions. This step is crucial as it helps identify if these services are causing the issue. You will notice an improvement in Safari's performance once they are disabled. Finally, let's check for any available iOS updates. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Updates often come with bug fixes that can resolve issues with Safari. Keeping your device updated can help ensure optimal performance and security. You will be glad to know that your iPhone is now running the latest software. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot any issues with Safari after a new update. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.